A very good evening to all. First of all, we would like to extend a great thank you to the Ministry of Economic Affairs, Sunrise Airways, and also Trogon International for this warm welcome here in Port-au-Prince. A year ago, we were always talking Scampi about visiting Haiti, and it wasn't until 3 weeks ago that we met Sergio in Havana, Cuba, that we made concrete plans of visiting Port-au-Prince at the end of the month. And as you see, he's a man of his word. We've reached a climax here where tonight we will be signing an MOU. We're talking about the collaboration between Scampi, the online music streaming platform, and having an official representative here in Port-au-Prince, Haiti. As you know, Haiti is a country with a big and a vast historical musical scene, and our countries, Curacao and Port-au-Prince, Haiti, have always worked together and collaborated when it comes to music. So we are here to build further on that collaboration in music by signing this MOU. Concretely, what we're planning to do is recruit many Haitian artists and Haitian music to this collaboration. And thanks to Trogon International and their associates, that's going to be, we're going to realize that in the near future.
Thank you for the kind words. Indeed, we met each other a couple of weeks ago, sober in Havana still. And I'm also the president of the Chamber of Commerce Haiti Benelux. And one of our slogans is the development started with facilitation. Facilitation needs to be accessible. And I think with Scampi that fits totally where we believe in. To make unrevealed talents, let them rise and be touching with platforms like Scampi. And develop their repertoires and music talents all over the world in the Caribbean, where there's a lot of talents here not touched or they don't have the right platform to develop themselves. So it's quite an honor to meet Scampi, and I think the right moment also where we believe in connecting and develop further platforms to create new Rihannas and other of those great talents.
Exactly.
So thanks a lot for the Minister of Economic Development because of the great support we had from the first moment we touched ground in Curacao. It was the main inspiration and stimulus to be here together. So thanks a lot for the Minister of Economic Development and also for you guys all to be here because the present that you take the moment here to come to Haiti. Not an easy country if you just open Google, but you guys are here. And I hope you enjoyed here. And it's not an easy country, there's a lot of potential here. And I think Scampi is exactly that little shovel to take out that potential with the platform they've created. And it's beautiful to see this cooperation with Sunrise already existing, but also with this can come out and much more other things can come out for. So I'm happy to be here. And thanks for Scampi to be here and to have trust and faith in us as well.
Yes.
Thank you.
I just want to add, today we had several talks with businesses in Haiti, artists, and the interesting thing is that we've been talking about new investments that we're doing in our technology, but technology is nice. If we don't have the content, then the platform basically is nothing. So we're a very artist-focused oriented platform. We immediately gauged the market here and see that there's great potential in Haiti, but we cannot do it alone. So again, our thanks to all the partners involved, the government of Curacao, also Trogon International, and everybody, the press. Thank you for your support. Together we can make it happen. But without further ado, I would say let's get
the signing.
Are you gonna live in Haiti forever, bro? No. You think it is cancelled for tomorrow?
What am I putting myself into?
Exactly, you know.
Merci.